For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the new One UI 8 Beta 5. So fingers crossed, let's hope maybe this will be the last beta. But let's just let's go over some of the new things and some of the improved things with this. So first off, you have to be version, the last 4 should be One UI 8 and the last 4 should be ZYH6. So if it's not that, you're not on the newest beta. Okay, so bugs have been fixed, applied August security patch, so they did them both at the same time with this and the August security patch. So fixed hotspot connection error, improved the issue in the lock screen clock for the size getting smaller, modified S Pen air command, fixed an issue that does not appear in the quick settings window, improved the issue of overlapping quick settings, modified the exception when capturing the screen in the app in the security folder, improved the problem of storing post-processing color purple, fixed the issue of the do not disturb mode in this initialization, fixed the issue of now briefing disappearing, stabilization of SW through several app updates. And then you can click there to learn more. And then of course, after you update this, make sure you go and check your updates, because you will get some new updates that are only applicable to One UI 8 Beta 5. So like I was obviously on 4, I did a check on updates, app updates through the Google Store and the Samsung Store. Didn't have any, updated this, and then there was some new updates. So make sure you update your apps after you're done updating the software. And then again, this was not super large, but fairly large. It was 1.7 gig or 1,736 megabytes. And again, ZYH6 is what it needs to be. If it's not, you're not on the newest beta update. So let's hope this is the last of them. The last one, I didn't really notice anything. Let's see what happens with this one. I think they're just kind of fine-tuning, honestly, under the hood and just getting some minor things, bugs fixed that are popping up. But I've yet to really have a bug in from beta 1 till now beta 5. I've yet to have anything really wrong. So it's been a good beta. So okay, I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.